Hey guys, Super Mario Gamer 001 here, and welcome back to another reaction. Last reaction we reacted to SML movie Jeffy's Imaginary Friend by SML. So, today we're reacting to SMG4, Mario goes to the fridge and gets a glass of milk. Alright, let's actually react to this one in 3, 2, 1. SMG4. This is basically the whole video. No milk! No more milky. He's gonna have to go to the store and get some milk. So excited. Huh. Huh. Can't really see as much, so sorry. Just got to use with two hands. Oh, it's Shroomy. Oh, he needs some milk. Yep. Oh, he needs. Yippee! One left. It's Mario's lucky day. Who needs Toad? Oh, Toad. Freaking Toad. Oh. Huh. How you doing? Mario's gonna get milk now. You, what about me? We need milk. I'm not okay. Luigi! Go, Ouija. It's a Ouija time. Oh! Wow, Luigi. It's Luigi. No, no, you don't! I am lonely. Exactly. They're both fighting for milk. Exactly. Ooh. Oh no, my milk. Hey Luigi, got milk? Not the commercial, the SML edition. This is actually the first SML title. What's that?
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Exactly.
Mamma mia.
It's actually not a bad idea. Actually, I have a plan. Moo Boo milk. Ever since 2010. Yeah, looks like they're gonna be robbing. Oh. Huh. It's like, hello. It's like everybody like getting. Oh, it's fucking ad. And then Toad's gonna be like, "We won't let those fuckers take this land!" Getting the milk. Milk!
Mario's winner just got a little bit harder.
FBI, open up!
There goes Mario's boner.
There goes Mario's there goes Mario's boner. It's Jeeves. Run! I'm gonna have to change, I guess I'm just gonna be, watching it like this. Well, Luigi, I choose you. Exactly. I should stop repeating stuff. It's just gonna get annoying and cringe. Luigi just got turned into milk. Stay back, or this baby milk gets it. Huh. Toad just got cursed. You'll never take me alive. Oh, someone's pissed. Kicks him out. Exactly. At the farm. Oof. Hi, Steve. Oh, look, it's Cody's mom. I'm Mary Poppins, y'all. If I have to be real with everybody, SMG4 has better memes than me. Yep. Steve, what do you have to do now? Okay. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I guess I'll just look at like this. Hey, Bessie, Luigi. Who's the cutest little cow? I like to order one glass of milk, please.
Hey, Stinky. Mamma mia.
Spaghetti. I am not worthy. Ooh. Toad. I don't feel pressured. Hey, ready yet, Betsy? Oh man, I gotta have milk. I'm not really looking at the... You know what? I'm just gonna do my original setup. Just... Alright, that's up. It's Jeeves again. Some sort of joke? I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to read the text. Yes. Exactly.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, it's Bessie. Huh? demon cow. This just got weird. I mean, I'm glad that SMG4 videos are back now. I mean, also at my other house, the Bandicam videos will be the Bandicam versions, cause this is not a really good setup, cause I'm not really good at the reactions here. I should get like another computer with launch the cannons! We won't let those fuckers take this land! I just heard that. Toad's fighting too. I knew that I'd actually make that. We don't let those fuckers take this land. They actually did it. Toad, what are you doing? Where are you going? Another ad. I come all the way. I don't know, why is James just being really mean? I mean, all they just want is milk. All they just want is the milk. Bessie? Oh, goodbye. War. Oh, looks like it's something. Oh! Well, they made it to Mario's house.
Alrighty, let's go.
That's some good art, Kevin and Luke. That was a really good video. I give it a 7.5. That was really good. And there's so much sponsors. That was a really good video. I'm gonna put this away. So, guys, that was SMG4. Mario goes to the fridge and gets some milk. That was a really good video. Made me laugh a few times. Yeah, it was a bit, like, off with, like, changing my hand gestures, because it's hard when you're trying to record with an actual awesome camcorder and you're just having a hand like that. If you have any tips how I can improve this, or should I just react to it without an image, leave in the comments below what I should do. And yeah, my next video should be an SMG movie or something. If not, then I'll just do something else. My midterms are coming out really soon, so sorry if I don't do a video for like the whole week, because I'm just going to be studying a lot. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like, smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. We just hit 100. And do not forget to ring that bell and turn on notifications so you can be notified for my next video. That's all for me. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.